In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Notion database by moving it to the trash. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, we'll open Notion. Then we'll head to the page that contains the database you want to remove. Finally, we'll use the three-dot menu to move it to the trash, and I'll share a few quick tips so you know exactly what happens next. Start by opening Notion in your browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use more than one. If you're collaborating with a team, it helps to double-check that you have edit permissions on the page. Without that, the Move to Trash option might not appear. Next, navigate to the page that holds the database you want to remove. You can find it from the sidebar, or use the search bar to quickly jump to it. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right database. If it's a full-page database, you're already on its page. If it's an inline database embedded in a larger page, make sure it's the one you intend to remove. If you have any uncertainty, consider duplicating the page first so you have a backup. Now with the page open, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page. Click that and choose Move to Trash. This action removes the page and its contents, including the database, from active view for everyone who had access. It's a safe way to clean up without permanently deleting right away. You should see the page disappear from your sidebar or navigate back to the previous view, which confirms it's been moved to the trash. At this point, you're done. The database is no longer active and your workspace is tidier. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Moving something to the trash is reversible while it's still in the trash. If you change your mind later, you can go to the trash section in your sidebar and restore it. If you're an admin or the workspace owner, be cautious when emptying the trash because that makes deletion permanent. If you don't see Move to Trash, you may not have the necessary permissions. In that case, ask a workspace admin or the page owner to help. And finally, if the database contains information you might need later, consider exporting or duplicating it before you move it to the trash. That's it. You've opened Notion, gone to the page with your database, used the three-dot menu, and moved it to the trash. Clean, quick, and done.